this video, I'm going to show you how to subtract integers using tiles. And I'm going to start with a nice question that you have been doing for a long time now, and it's going to seem very easy, but it's a nice place to start. And with my tiles, the yellow represents a positive, and the pink represents a negative. So what we have here is 5 minus 2, or another way to think of it is 5 take away 2. So I'm going to start with 5 positive tiles. And then I need to take away 2 positives. So I can do that. I can take away my 2 positives, and I'm left with positive 3. Well, what if I change this to be, instead of being 5 minus 2, it was 5 minus negative 2. So again, I'm going to start with my 5, but I need to take away negative 2. And I don't have negative 2 on here to take away. So I need to add negative 2 in. And how I do that is by adding 2 zero pairs, because as we've discussed in class, a zero pair sums to 0. So it won't change the value of my question. So here I have my 2 zero pairs, and I can now take away negative 2. And so 5 take away negative 2, or 5 minus negative 2, is actually equal to 7. The next example, instead of starting with positive 5, we're going to look at what if it was negative 5 minus 2. So instead of starting with positive 5, I'm going to start with my negatives. Oh, that one's missing a negative. And I have negative 5, and I want to take away positive 2. Is there positive 2 here for me to take away? No, there isn't. So I need to add in 0 pairs. Again, it doesn't change the value of my question if I add a 0 pair, so that there's positive 2 that I can take away. Now there's positive 2 I can take away. So I'm going to take away those positive 2. And that shows me that negative 5 minus 2 is equal to negative 7. The last example I'm going to do, or second last example I'll do here, would be negative 5 minus negative 2. And negative 5 take away negative 2. So again, I'm going to start with my negative 5. Is there negative 2 I can take away? Yeah, there is. So I'm going to take away 2 of them. So it shows me that negative 5 take away negative 2 is equal to negative 3. I'm going to do one more situation with you. What if it was negative 5 take away negative 7? So again, I'd start with my negative 5. And I want to take away negative 7. There's negative 5 that I can take away, but I don't have negative 7 that I can take away. So I need to add in 2 zero pairs, 1, 2, so that there's 7 negatives for me to take away. And now I can take away my 7 negatives, and I end up with positive 2. So that's my quick summary of how to subtract integers using tiles.